Hello, my name is Stephen Shane, Autodesk Certified Instructor, Designer, and Animator. Join CAD Learning in Red Vector on June 28, 2018 at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our webinar, 5 Keys to Successful Additive Manufacturing Implementation. I will walk you through incorporating Autodesk software like AutoCAD, Inventor, and Fusion 360 into an additive manufacturing workflow. And look how you can save money and resources using Autodesk software and additive manufacturing for prototypes, investment casting, and paperless parts. Additive manufacturing also changes how you design, hire, and onboard. So we will look at how to identify new hires and existing employees who have the core competencies and required skills you need to be successful. I will give you some actionable tips for training and upskilling your employees to meet your additive manufacturing needs. Register today to secure your spot on the 28th.